I'm Kyle Perry with CP Roofing and Exteriors, and today we put together a simple demonstration model roof in order to show you the components of an asphalt shingle roofing system and the purpose that each component serves. So every roof that CP Roofing and Exteriors does starts with a clean deck. We rip everything off down to the wood so that we can make sure that there's no rotted wood. Everything that we're nailing to is a nailable surface, and that also helps us ensure we maintain a manufacturer's warranty in every roofing system that we do. So the first component of the roofing systems that we put on is going to be this metal drip edge. It's a metal flashing that goes around the perimeter of the roof and ensures that the water runs off the fascia and into the gutter system. So I'm going to throw some of this on and then we'll move on to underlayment. All right, so now we got drip edge installed around the perimeter of the roof. The next step is to install underlayment. We use synthetic underlayment as opposed to felt underlayment. Felt underlayment is more like paper, doesn't hold up that well, as opposed to synthetic underlayment. Now, synthetic underlayment is more like a tarp. We use it for many reasons, but the main reasons are it's safer for our guys to install and it holds up better to the weather. So we're going to cover the roof system with this underlayment, and then we're going to move on to the next step. All right, so now we have our underlayment installed on this roof system. The underlayment is going to run all the way from this ridge and overlap all the way down to the eave. It's going to overlap the drip edge as well, just to make sure that the water runs its proper course. Before we can start shingling, we have to install a starter course. This has a tar line down at the bottom to ensure that your first course of shingle seals at the eave. So we're going to slap this on and then we're going to start shingling. All right, so now we have drip edge, underlayment, and a starter course installed. It's time to get down to shingles. So today we're using a Certainty Landmark shingle. We really like this shingle. It's got an 1.5 inch nail zone, makes it easier for our crews to install, as well as ensure that we maintain a manufacturer's warranty. All the shingles start at the bottom and overlap up, just like everything else on your roof system, to make sure that the water runs over and all the way off your roof system. So let's get down to putting them on. Okay, so the shingles are complete. The final step to every roof system is going to be ridge cap shingles. These go up the hips and the ridges of your roof and finish a brand new roof. Ridge cap shingles are on and this roof system is complete. It's ready for its rainstorm. Now, as you can see, the water is going to roll down your roof instead of going inside of your house. Remember, these are just the basic components of an asphalt shingle roof system. I hope you enjoyed the video.